Where has Jaden been, bro? Kind of miss him just getting like bullish on the biggest bullshit.
I heard him
Isn't
crash
the
out on
trading
EV stream
match?
one time, saying he can't make money in this call because people sell too fast for him.
Yeah. And people deploy bundles and rig them in the call. Creo
Damn.
is deploying bundles and rigging.
Tim, you say Tim? I deployed a bundle in my life. I deploy a bundle. I'm not gonna brag. I'm a real deployer. I only
Hey, but
deploy real.
I'm not gonna lie. It's not really hard to just avoid buying coins that you know like
Yeah, it's not hard to avoid buying Creo and Tim Rapage.
yeah. I mean,
See, I used to get that reputation. It used to be valid. I haven't like if I was still doing that, dude, I would be so happy because I'd be making so much money. Unfortunately, I just don't do it anymore because like I fell off. I lost my touch.
I don't want to get off till I hit a runner, but shit is
it's
ass.
It's a real shark.
What is that?
That was not fun.
BLM.
I don't know about that shit. It's the same. It's like a first deployer bullshit. It's fucking ass.
Watch it just rip like 200k.
Well, now that you say that, 900 people are about to buy one soul, and it's about to be at 200K pretty quickly.
I post the fucking CA, bro. God.
Shit is fucking terrible.
I'm buying the Ethan Prosper bundle.
Yo, bitch ass up.
Oh yeah, how was your fucking movie, asshole? Thought you weren't getting off.
I don't know, late night snack and shit,
Did you get some Drizzleicious?
Yo, on my mom's life, that's what I ate. On my mom's life.
What do you
Dude.
eat? The little mini bag?
Yeah, no, big bag.
Oh. Bro's
You ate a
carving
whole
up
big
before
bag?
bed.
I know, bro. I know. I
Or just carving up before bed. The method.
know, bro. I haven't in a minute, bro. But I just got like the urge, bro.
Wait, hold up. Let me look this shit up. Images. Let's see.
It's so
Yeah,
weak,
500,
bro.
500 calories for the whole bag.
No, I know how many calories are in it, bro.
Wait, but
You
you
don't
may as
got.
well just eat a normal thing then. 500 calories. That's like a normal bag of chips.
You can get
That's what I
dude, you could
said. That
bro,
shit's a fucking psyop,
500,
bruh.
bro,
How is it
500
flat?
calories. You can get a nice meal.
Yeah,
Mine
500 calories is like a full ass fucking meal. You don't
500
eat
calories,
anything.
you can eat a whole pound of 96.4 ground beef.
Oh shit.
Bro, but I like the delicious.
Yeah, I
How
know.
many calories is it per little rice cake?
4 or 5.
Do you eat 100 of those?
I guess so.
Wait, what's the best
Yeah.
flavor? I've seen them on. I saw your TikTok shop ad, but I didn't want to buy it.
That's not my app.
Yeah, I know, but it's your TikTok shop.
Taste good or look good?
Okay,
I'm
I'm just
looking
gonna get. I'm gonna hop on early tomorrow. I'm not. I just can't, bro.
Alright, thanks.
Okay,
Runner
GM, bro.
I'm losing
confidence.
my
Time
shit.
for the runner to spawn.
Losing my shit, bro.
You know what's actually really good is popcorn, bro. You can eat a whole bag of popcorn
Oh my
for
god,
100
yes.
calories.
It's even yeah, if you do it yourself, don't get like a store bought, get like
No,
the
yeah, you
actual
get the
kernels.
store-bought. There's these bags you can get that you make in the microwave that
And
are
I
100 calories.
Yeah, but that's still it's not as good for you as if you literally get the kernels and you get a popcorn maker. Because then
What
it's
if I go to the movie theater and they put like a big ass fucking bowl of butter on top of my popcorn?
oh yeah, that's the healthiest it can get.
No, it's I think it's the Orville brand or whatever it's called. It's 100 calories per bag, and there's a kettle corn one.
Dude, the skinny pop kettle corn is so good.
Skinny Pup's higher calorie though.
But it's skinny, so it can't be that high calorie.
It's higher calorie than the Orville.
You think me?
Wait, Orangey, can you gift me a sub, please?
No,
Please?
no.
Drizzlicious is psyoping people on TikTok.
Bro,
Oh
I get
no.
it.
Have you seen those meringue things, Orangey, on TikTok? Those are actually 1 calorie per thing.
I haven't seen it.
There's like no substance to them though, isn't it just egg whites?
I don't know what the fuck it is.
A meringue is just egg whites.
Wait, what's it called? Meringue?
Mirang.
You mean merengue? Merengue? Like, look at General that merengue.
Yes.
No way they
There's
make 1 calorie ones. What? Those are
yeah,
so good.
yes,
Wait, I thought
yes.
it was a meringue.
Yeah, there's 1 calorie ones on TikTok. On God, there is. I don't know what they're called though. Let me
Is it don't worry merengue?
see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, 1 calorie per cookie.
Yeah, those are real. You should get those.
Yeah, I'll look into this. It's probably gas as fuck.
All right, I'm gonna go to sleep.
Dude, I got on because I got insider that there's a really big job happening.
Oh, wait, were your
Hmm.
AirPods on and you were just keeping them just in case a big drop happened?
Why were you actually wearing the headphones?
I actually because
I
I
love
don't
that clip.
remember. I don't remember. I can't lie. I think I just walked in with them on.
Did they tell you to say that?
No.
That he asked me that, and I didn't know what to say. Huh?
Yeah, I was gonna say it looks so
What?
scripted.
No, no, it wasn't like scripted. I didn't know what to say.
That was a good response though.
It was.
Now everyone like all the meme coin traders are gonna be walking around with headphones on.
Anytime someone asks you, gotta whip out the line.
Or do you wear his headphones while buying a 300K watch? That's Aura.
Oh my fuck!
See, there's the
I just
potential to make back that 300K because of wearing those headphones, just in case a meme coin drops.
Exactly.
bought the fucking meringues, but I ordered it to the wrong address.
Elon's dropping tonight. Don't be cooked. Cup seat. What are you talking about, bro?
There's fucking cuck coin. I hate when it's shit like this, like valueless. Watch this go up. Cucked coin. It's so boring.
Wow, LLM is at 6 mil.
When did that come out?
Like
Wow,
really
today.
early in the morning.
That chart is just insane. Holy fuck.
Dude, there's straight up just nothing to buy for fucking hours, bro. Shit's sad. Tomorrow better be good. Holy fuck, bro. Shit sucks.
Tomorrow's a Sunday as well. It's just gonna be shit. I might not even get on tomorrow.
You're lying.
Non-grinder.
Dude, non-grind.
I think I
Probably
might
actually
just get up. I might
on.
just get up like super early tomorrow. I feel like tomorrow's gonna be good, bro. Last few days
On a
have been
Sunday?
ass, so pumped. We're due.
Tomorrow's Sunday.
It's like a Monday. I aspire to be as unlocked as you, Orangey. And I mean that in a good way. I want to go to fucking. I want to go to Greece.
I mean, like they're gonna be here when you come back, and like you've already made a lot of money.
Dude, I'm I just hit five. I just hit 6 figs. Like I was stuck in 5 fig hell for way too long.
He loves to lie.
You
I wish I was
literally
strong.
said earlier you were going to go to the bank with $100 million.
Yeah, yeah. Fuck.
Why is that LLM shit actually 7 mil? Oh, AI 16Z people behind.
800 soul?
Yeah.
What?
LLM.
Oh, he has other wallets in?
I don't know. That's just what someone in my chat said.
It's up like 40K on his public.
Wow. Nothing. 0 coins per an hour. Think I'm gonna get off. Oh, we split. That's why. Okay.
That makes sense. I still doubt he's up 800K on it.
No, 800 soul.
800 soul, sorry. Yeah, he'd be up. I guess 100K. Wow, big Latina model's actually going. Little by little.
Alright. You guys in like a week, probably.
Damn.
Are you not
Unless
gonna
I do
trade
one
on the yacht, Connor?
I might. I
You
don't know.
should.
I
You
probably
have
will.
Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Hop in VC on there for a few hours and cook so you can gamble.
Yeah. Ooh, good comms, cop. All right, see you guys.
Peace.
Yeah, me too. Good night, guys. I've been on all day.
Damn. All right. I'm gonna get off too.
Good night, guys.